What happens when the RF excitation pulse B sub 1 is turned off? First, the net magnetic vector, which is in the transverse axis, will start to realign with B sub 0, going from a high energy state back to a low energy state. And you can see here the net magnetic vector, as it starts to realign with B sub 0, will still be precessing around the longitudinal axis. So it will have this spiral shape as it goes back to the longitudinal plane. Second, the hydrogen spins will start to precess out of phase, which is termed incoherent. You have different tissues within the body and they precess at different rates, so they are going to be at a different point along the precessional path, which will reduce the signal or cause the signal to rapidly decay, which is the third thing that happens when the RF pulse is turned off, and can be shown with this two-dimensional drawing over here. So here you have a three-dimensional drawing of that net magnetic vector realigning with B sub 0, and you can see that on the transverse axis, which is where the receiving coil is, that net magnetic vector is slowly reducing in size and realigning with B sub 0. So this can be drawn in two-dimensional format, showing the transverse axis on the y-axis here over time. And you can see that the signal is decaying rapidly due to the realignment of the net magnetic vector along B sub 0 and the spins precessing out of phase. This has a term that we like to call free induction decay, which is the rapid decay of signal after the RF pulse is turned off.